So in this video, I want to talk about email scheduling times for your subscribers. And I just want to, show you how I do it. And yeah, I think I have some helpful insights for you. And yeah, please listen up. So how do I decide when to send emails? So basically, the idea is that you send 2 times. One time you send in the morning, and 2 times the second time you send in evening. And basically, since our majority of the leads are in the United States, and that's the country that you should be targeting, and that's why you have to look at their times, time zones. So basically, in the US, they have multiple time zones. I believe 3 or 4, from the East Coast to the West Coast, they have like 3 or 4 or maybe even 5. I'm not even sure. So, we will look at it. So how do I, decide when to send? So basically, I have this nice timeandday.com, very nice website where you can, play around with the time zones. So basically, let's say we want to target New York, because New York is on the east coast. So at the moment I am in Lithuania, and it doesn't matter, Lithuania has the same time zone. So basically we have 6 p.m. and they have in the New York it's 11 in the morning. So it's a good time for 11 in the morning is very good time for a morning broadcast. So that would be a very nice to send email right now. But since in America there are multiple time zones, we need to consider that in Los Angeles, on the west side of US, it is much earlier, and this time is not very good for them. So let's look what time we have in the Los Angeles. And yeah, it's 8 in the morning, so it's not really good. So we can basically try to aim 10 in the morning, 10 hours in the morning. Yeah, so it's 1 p.m. in New York. It's a bit too late there. So it's not that easy to find the perfect middle. So I would say that probably this is the best, or maybe you can aim for 9 a.m. in Los Angeles, and then it's midday in New York. And also there is like Chicago, which is basically in the middle of those two. So you can basically maybe aim for the center of the country, the middle. And yeah, so I think so from my time zone, the best time is around 7 to send your emails to the the morning emails, I mean. And yeah, and for the evening emails, you should aim, as I remember, you should aim around around midnight in the Europe. In my time zone, it should be around midnight. And yeah, so in Los Angeles, it's a bit maybe too early. So you should maybe aim like 2 a.m. 2 a.m. at night in Europe, in Eastern Europe. So yeah, probably 2 a.m. would be the most perfect time to aim the entire United States, or maybe even 3 a.m. or if we talk about a Greenwich, we can select the Greenwich. It's easier to count from there. So if you schedule all your emails by the Greenwich, it's easier to understand because you start from 0. And so basically at 00 Greenwich, you can aim the best email times for the for the like second emails, by the end of the day, the evening emails. And if you want to aim with the Greenwich time, the morning emails, you should aim for, let's look, here we put 19, and yeah, it's 16. So yeah, that's pretty much it, what I wanted to share with you. So this is like, how I, decide when to send the emails, and basically the conclusion is that you should consider that there are 3 time zones in the United States, and you should aim somewhere in between, so it's not too early for the East Coast, and not too early, not too late for West Coast, or other way around it. So I think this explanation shows you how to approach this thing. And like, in reality, it's not that important. It's not super important. People are gonna read emails. If they're gonna read, it doesn't matter what time you're gonna send them. But to aim, best times when people are like, browsing the internet, and you can send them email right in front of their eyes is the best. And yeah, and also I think also you can target for like lunch break. You can send third email. In some occasions you can catch people on their work break while they are browsing the internet, and you can send them email then. And yeah, so that's pretty much my 2 cents about scheduling time. Thank you for watching. Please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you think about this. And maybe I am wrong. Maybe you have some better tips for me how I should schedule my emails. Thank you for watching.